In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for product roadmap planning. Whether you're a product manager, team leader, or just someone who wants to efficiently manage projects, creating a clear and structured roadmap is crucial, and Monday.com offers the perfect tools for that. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Monday.com account and head over to your workspace. This is where you can organize all your boards, manage team collaboration, and track progress. Think of it as your central hub for all things project related. Once you're in the workspace, look for the board section and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens, where you can see your projects take shape in real time. Now, to set the stage for our roadmap, click on New Board. This will allow you to create a dedicated space for your product roadmap. When prompted, type in Product Roadmap as the title. This will ensure that your board is easily identifiable, especially if you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. Once the board is named, it's time to set its privacy settings. You'll notice a privacy button. Click on it and select Shareable. This setting is important as it will allow you to share your roadmap with team members, stakeholders, or anyone else who needs to be in the loop without making it fully public. Now, with everything set up, click on Create Board to finalize its creation. With your new board ready, it's time to add some structure. Click on Add New Group. Groups in Monday.com help segment your project into different phases, which is essential for clear and organized roadmap planning. Consider organizing your groups into